the best policy you should have. Truthfulness. Okay? Always you should think there is a God above. Who is there? There is one person. Power. It's a power, correct? Where is the pen? Get my laptop pen, ma. Steve. Laptop pen அண்ணா ரூம்ல இருக்கு எடுத்துமா கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரம் போமா. லேப்டாப் பென் அண்ணா ரூம்ல இருக்கு எடுத்துன்னு வா ஓடி போய். தெரியாதா தமிழ் உனக்கு? Okay, so Gokul's doubt will be cleared. He asked me long before. Gokul, shall I check your WhatsApp? What was your doubt? Your speaker is not working. Something is sent. 1 minute. Gokul. He has a doubt in exercise 2.5, that is reference book 2.5, textbook 2.5. You will not talk.
Ma'am, his mic is not working.
His mic is not working. Okay. Okay, Gokul, you can listen. It's a textbook only. Textbook 2.5 mark. He has doubt in second main essence. One of you read it.
Evaluate the following products without multiplying.
See, 103 into 107, I taught you. 103, it's okay, let me teach you again. 103 into 107, 100 plus 3, Gokul, plus 100 plus 7, okay? And then x is there, a is there, b is there. So same 100 is repeated. So you should use x plus a, x plus b formula. Okay, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In that, you need to write what is x. What is x? X is 100. A is 3. B is 7. That's all you should substitute. You get the answer. 100 square. Correctly, you should substitute. That is the talent. 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. And then that plus substitution simplification should not go wrong. So 4 zeros will come. 10,000. And 3 plus 10, 1000 will come. And 21 will come. Then what is the answer?
11,021.
That's all. Same like that, you try the other sums. 95, 96. 95 into 96. You have to use 100 minus 5.
100 minus 4, 100 minus 5.
Minus 4.
Ivaga, don't worry. Use the same formula. Don't use some other formula. You will get confused what you studied in 8th standard. If you use that minus formula and all, you get confused. That's why we are not teaching you that minus formula. Wherever a is there, substitute that minus. Okay, x is 100, x is 100, a is minus 5, b is minus 4. That's all. Minus 4. Okay, how you will do? X square. Okay, minus 5 plus minus 4, because the basic you forgot. Gina ma'am only is a maths teacher, but you forgot everything what Gina ma'am taught you. Correct? So minus into minus plus, that they forgot. And minus plus minus, add and put minus sign. 900. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So like this. So subtract first. Plus into minus is minus. So this minus agbidutta. So 10,000.
9,120, ma'am.
9,120 is the answer. If you do that, you get that. 9,120.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Do. So now Gokul's doubt is clear. Yoshika? Yes, Yoshika's doubt. Wait, then second Yoshika. Come on fast.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, exercise 2.5 12th question you had given homework, ma'am. That one I have doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. X plus y plus z, the formula. This is the
Ma'am, it
formula.
was only one question, ma'am. You told to try it out, ma'am.
3xyz is equal to half ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು x plus y plus z. Read that question. What is it? X minus y. What will come in the bracket?
X minus y square, ma'am.
Square or cube? Square. Then
Square, ma'am.
Then
Plus y minus z square, ma'am.
the whole squares you should tell Yoshika. Then
Plus z minus x the whole square.
correct, like that you should.
Brackets, ma'am.
Very good. Now start with the RHS. RHS equal to LHS. RHS means right hand side. Okay. So proving right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me do first right hand side expansion of these things. Okay. When you do that, don't keep these things fly away from the answer. Okay. It should not fly away. It should be remain there only without disturbing us. Okay. Now you do this. A minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b
Minus
square
2ab.
minus 2ab. Okay. Plus 2 it should be there. 2 is here. Okay. Then y minus z. What is the answer? Y square plus z square minus 2yz.
2yz.
Then tell z square plus x square
Plus x
minus
square.
2xz or 2zx. Okay. Like this it is. Now you see. You expand correctly, you will get the answer. X square 2 is there. Y
Yes,
square
ma'am.
2 is there. So 2y square. Yoshika, z square how many
Yes,
are there?
ma'am.
How many are there z square?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
2. Then minus 2, all these are minus 2 is common. So I'll put a small bracket here. Xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. Okay, why I am doing this? Minus, when I take minus, everything will become plus. Multiply and see, minus 2xy, it's there. Minus 2yz is there. Minus 2zx, correct? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yoshika, continue, do that, you will get, wait, let me see. Now, what will happen? Now, take this 2 outside. Everywhere 2 is there. So, 2 will be get cancelled. That's why it is coming everywhere for us. The 2 is following like a achi dog. Munchella achi dog torsara. Vodafone ge. Why this 2 is following us here? Because it's going to get cancelled here. That's why. Okay. See, 2 is common. So that common inside the bracket should be removed. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will happen to that 2? That hachi dog.
It will come outside the bracket.
It get cancelled. It get cancelled, ma. Am I right? Now.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you check what is left hand side first of all. I forgot.
Ma'am, x cube
Plus
Plus
y cube
y
plus z
cube.
cube minus 3xyz.
Yes, ma'am, equals to the RHS.
Then how will you do? How will you do, children? Others didn't try only, huh?
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Tell me now, what is my
Submitted
next?
also, ma'am.
So what is my next step?
Ma'am, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus, we should remove the bracket and multiply the minus with that, ma'am. And then minus xy minus yz minus zx.
Then
Which is equal to, now x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz.
wow, simply you wrote off.
Because the formula
You
is
multiplied. Okay, let us multiply. Keep multiplying, ma. You get, okay? Correct, You will multiply only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Slowly you should multiply. That's why I didn't do that.
Ma'am, but we have the formula already, no, ma'am, for this one. So we can directly
Correct.
write.
Straight away you write the formula. According
Yes,
to
ma'am, we can
identity.
directly write, ma'am.
Correct. We have already learned the identity. So identity given is, this formula is already given, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, identity is given already in the textbook. So this formula,
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
one of the formula, correct. So no need to multiply. If you multiply also you'll get, I'm telling you, you no need to waste time in multiplication. Okay, that's all. Now Vishnu Priya's doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the revision question, ma'am. Ma'am, factorize, ma'am.
Wait,
9x
revision questions from reference book or from Gina ma'am's mind.
Ma'am, no,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
you gave some questions.
My mind means question will be wrong. Okay, okay, reference book. Tell me.
9x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 16yz minus 24xz, ma'am.
Correct. Ma, very simple. Ma, put it this 3x the whole square, 2ay the whole square. What should I put here, Vishnu Priya?
Ma'am, there minus
4z the whole square.
ma'am.
What is the doubt? Wait, let me complete. So 2, 3x, split this 12. Like this you split.
Ma'am,
Okay.
minus 4z will come, ma'am.
Yes,
Wait.
ma'am. Minus will come down.
That's
ma'am.
what, because here which is common you should see. I
Z
told
is
you, no?
common.
So see that and then put. So z is common. So there will be some minus. Otherwise this minus won't come. Everything will be plus. So because there is a minus, you check where is common. Okay, 2 into.
In the two terms, ma'am.
You have to check. So y and z, no? So 2 into 2y, 2y minus 4z. Then only it will come minus. So in the formula only plus ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು formula ಆಗಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ minus minus 2 into 2y into minus 4z plus, so that plus into minus. So formula says plus ma, but for us a is 3x. You can put it, a is 3x, b is 2y,
ma'am.
c is minus 4z. So if you put it like that, you will get. Okay. So what is my final answer? My final answer is very simple. 9x plus 2y minus 4z.
3x,
Whole
ma'am.
square over.
3x plus 2y minus
3x, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, not 9x, ma'am.
Very good. You are alert.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubt? Shall we go? How to learn for the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Listen carefully, children. Lines and angles. Lines and angles you start today. Today, lines and angles you start. Learn all the theorem, axiom, whatever is given in the beginning. Okay? What Gina ma'am is given, important things to remember. One exercise only, ma. Learn properly. One important theorem is there. What is that important theorem? A ray stands on a line. A ray
Stands on a line.
stands on a line, form two angles. Angle 1, angle 2. Oh, what is the theorem? What happened to this angle 1 and angle 2?
They are equal.
They are equal.
Sorry.
They are not equal.
Ma'am, they form 180 degrees.
They form 180 degree, ma. Yo. You are such a condition in mathematics.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, exercise 6.1, 6.9 will not do now.
Don't want. One exercise only. I am telling you, no. They
6th main,
all
ma'am,
are-
that exercise.
Ma'am, only one exercise, ma'am. This chapter.
Yeah. When Gina ma'am didn't teach, do you think they teach that?
Ma'am, 6.1 exercise 6th main, ma'am.
Wait, no, what are you saying? What are you saying? I don't understand.
Exercise 6.1, ma'am. 6th question, you will not do that, ma'am.
Why you can do on your own, no? I have done
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
I sent one video, no. That I sent, no. You didn't check, huh?
Ma'am,
I
I said only still 5 you did, ma'am. 5th question.
1 minute. Wait. Here, first exercise, only 3 theorems. What is that? A ray stands on a line. The sum of the adjacent angles so formed is 180. Straight line means 180. How many ever angles are there? You add everything, you get 180. Okay, you should solve like that. Questions will be coming like, here one angle will come 2x, here 3x minus 1. Now, what is the x they'll ask? Is it easy? Is it easy or tough? What you should do? See, suppose the question is like this. What is x value? What is each angle?
2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees.
Correct. 5x is 180. If you add both, you should get.
X
You
is
should,
equal to 180
you should,
divided by
if it is
5.
MCQ, no need any step. In rough column, whatever you have to do, you can do in rough column. Big calculation, I want it in rough column. Small calculation, okay. Okay, like 180 by 5, I want that here. Certain things which you can't do it in the mind. If you are doing everything in the mind, I'll make you do in front of me all the mind exercise. Whatever you are doing in the mind, good. But you should be able to do it. Okay. Otherwise, go to the rough column and do 180 divided by 5. What is the answer? 336. So x is equal to
36.
36. So what is each angle they'll ask? So 36 into 2. 36 into 2. Here 36 into 3. Okay. If you have a doubt, you can add and see whether you get 180. Add both and see whether you're getting 180.
We are, ma'am.
180, yeah, 150 we are getting.
No, ma'am, 150, ma'am.
Che, I made a wrong in mistake. That means 108. Then you will understand that you are only wrong. You can guess. That is the great sweetness and miraculous thing in mathematics. You know what? You only know whether you are doing it correct or wrong if you are doing it on your own. Okay? So that is, you can check it. That is the beauty of algebra. Okay? Algebra is there in this geometry also. So only. So the ray stands on a line, form a 2 alternate angles, and these 2 adjacent angles are always 180. Okay? If the 2 rays stands also, same procedure. Second one. The second one is angle around the point. Don't forget, they'll give you angle around the point like this. Okay? Here they'll give you x, y, z. Okay? They'll tell you to find out x, y, z. One clue, they'll give some clue. So join both the clue and find out the equation. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So much revision we have done. You have got a reference book. Revision book you can study. But first you should do NCERT. Don't straight away go to reference book. NCERT, first you should study. Example sum. This is tips to score 100 on 100. Tips to score 100 on 100. Usually Gina ma'am will give no. So what is tips to score 100 on 100?
NCERT sums,
First do
example.
NCERT.
NCERT sums and then NCERT only example sum also should do. Example sums definitely will come. Okay, exercise sums. Because I told you already why they are giving example sum in CBSE board. Because from a rural area, some teachers don't teach. At least exercise sums they learn and come for that case. Okay. So example sum is compulsory. Exercise sum is compulsory. So one exercise in this. And then polynomial and natural numbers. And in the polynomial, natural numbers, you know, root 2, root 3, root 5, draw and see number line.
Number line.
Draw and see. And then square root of 3.7. How to do the justification, you see, drawing is easy. Draw a number line. These things, first you practice number line. Okay. Then you practice rationalize the denominator. So fully. Then you go to the number system. You know very well which is an irrational number. What do you mean by irrational number? You know basic. Keeping the basic, you can easily do MCQ, no problem. Okay. Then you go to polynomial. Polynomial go munche first to the 10 formula I gave. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
10 formulas you write out. Write it in your. I told you to prepare last minute book for midterm exam. I used to tell you. If you are preparing here also, no problem. One important paper, learn. No, now you don't prepare. You will sit and copy with that. Don't want to. Okay. So I'm telling you, practice. Practice everything. 10 formulas you practice. Then you go to polynomial sums. And then what is remainder theorem you learn. You know what is remainder theorem and factor theorem. So if x minus a is there, okay, if p of x is there, if p of x is divided by this, the remainder, you need not sit and divide. You can just put p of a. that answer will give you the remainder. If the remainder is 0, that means it is a factor. So that comes under factor theorem also. So factor theorem and remainder theorem coincides like that. You understood what is factor theorem and remainder theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
First you practice NCERT, ma'am. If you practice NCERT only, you can score easily 80. Whose system is on? Thank you. Seema, listen carefully, study, do exercise sums NCERT fully enough, ma, more than enough. 80% you can easily score. Remaining 20%. Remaining 20%, what you should do?
R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma, some reference. Gina ma'am given some revision questions.
Online sums.
Online sums. So revision questions Madi. Okay. So you can easily score 40 on 40. But hard work is important. If I have a doubt, what will I do?
Call and make a friend to do.
Re-exam. Re-exam. Remember that and learn, okay? Be careful. This test marks will be entered everywhere. And if it is, I have any doubt, I am going to make you do again. Remember. Be honest. All the best. God bless you. Do every sum. If you have a doubt, you ask me. I'll teach you in WhatsApp only. Otherwise, I will teach in this whiteboard and I will send it to you. Thank you. Thank you. All the
Bye.
best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
All the best.
Thank you.
Study well.
Thank you, ma'am.
children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.